Most people buy their first home just to live in, and that's fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But what if your first home could do more than just give you a place to sleep? What if it could actually help you build wealth faster than saving alone could ever? What if one smart purchase could be the starting point of an entire property portfolio? Today, I'm going to show you how buying the right first home, even one that looks a bit rough, can put you in a stronger financial position than a shiny new build, and how one property can eventually turn into two, into three, and even more. Let's talk about something most first-time buyers avoid: run-down properties. The ones with the outdated kitchen, old carpets, peeling paint. Most people just walk straight past them. But smart buyers, they look closer, and here's why. When you buy a property that needs work, you are often buying below market value straight away. You are not paying for someone else's renovation, you are paying for potential. And when you add value yourself, the property can increase in price much faster than a brand new home where everything is already done. Simple upgrades can make a huge difference. A new kitchen might cost you a few £1,000, but it could add 10 to 15,000 pounds in value. A fresh paint, new flooring, better lighting, basic cosmetic improvements. These things instantly improve how a property look and how the market will value it. Now let's talk about equity, because this is key. Equity is simply the difference between what your property is worth and what you still owe on the mortgage. So the faster you increase the value of your home, the faster you build the equity. And equity is not just a number on paper, it is real money that you can utilize smartly. Now, this is where things get interesting. Once you have built up equity, you do not always need to save a brand new deposit to buy your next property. No. Instead, you can remortgage and release some of that equity you have saved up. Let me break it down with simple numbers. Let's say, for example, you buy a tired property for £200,000. You refurbish this smartly and the market does its thing right. Now, the property is worth £250,000. Now, a lender will allow you to remortgage at about 75% of that new value. That could release around £187,000 to you. And that released money can be used as a deposit for your second property. So instead of starting from zero again, the first property helps you move on to the next one. And if you repeat this process over time, buying well, adding value where needed, and using equity wisely, the same initial cash can help you acquire multiple properties. And this is how many investors grow property portfolios while starting small. Not overnight, not by gambling, but by being strategic and being patient. Now, this only works if you do it properly. So here are some key things you must focus on. Quick pause, hit subscribe, and join a community of property investors that are getting insider knowledge that most people pay thousands for. The next video might just be the breakthrough that you need. Don't miss it. Hit subscribe now. First, spot the right property. Look for undervalued homes in areas with strong demand and areas that have future potential growth. Number 2, plan for refurbishment wisely. Focus on improvement that add value, not expensive finishes that just eat your budget. Number 3, know your numbers. Understand what the property will be worth when done up. Understand what your mortgage limits are. Know how much equity you can realistically release. And number 4, think long term. Each property should not just be a home, it should be a stepping stone that moves you closer to your bigger financial goals. Here's what I want you to take away. Your first home does not need to be your dream home. A property that looks rough today can become a powerful wealth building machine with the right strategy. So buy well, refurb wisely, use equity intelligently, and give yourself options that most people never even realize are possible. I hope this helped, and see you in the next video.